and welcome to Courtney's Cakes. Today, me and Chef Cash are going to do...
Mommy?
Yes.
I see that.
Yes, I see that. We're going to do Pinata Cupcakes. We're going to do a gender reveal to see
Look,
what...
Mommy.
Yes, thank you, baby. What Cash is going to get, either a baby brother or a baby sister. What do you want? Do you want a baby brother or baby sister? Okay, we're not going to answer. Okay, you want to help me? Alright, for this, I'm just going to use a simple box cake mix to make it easy. And you'll just need your cupcake pans. And I'm also just going to use a white liner. Or use a white cupcake liner. You can use whatever color. But I was just going to do gender neutral. Okay. 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 Okay, that was...
No.
This one's yours.
It's not yours.
And for my cake mix, it was like 1 1/4 cup of water. It might be different for whatever cake mix you use. 3 egg whites. And then, let's see, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And you can do a homemade recipe, that's fine. I just did this so it'd be simple for him to do. And we wouldn't have 100 ingredients trying to put them in. Because if you have a little one helping you, it can get a little hectic. Okay, gotta mix it up. Come on.
No, Mommy.
Yes, we gotta mix it up.
Woo.
Let's not keep it in the bowl, okay? I know. Tell me about it.
It's mine.
You gonna help me? Ooh, wow, good job. And I'm using about 1/3 of a cup to measure it out. Might be a little much for them.
Let's go miss it.
It's a little hard to fight him. Try putting them in there. Probably not quite as much.
Oh, what's the mixing, Mommy?
I know, get to mixing it.
No!
We gotta bake. Do you not want cupcakes?
No.
You didn't want the cupcakes?
No.
Okay, bake this in the oven at the time that your recipe calls for. Okay, we're gonna make the icing for our cupcakes. And for this,
Mommy?
yes. You need 1 stick of butter, which is 1/2 cup of butter. Yes, can I help you?
Will I help you?
Yeah, help me.
No.
What?
Give me that.
Let me do this. And then 1/2 cup of shortening.
No, my shortening.
You're shortening?
My shortening.
Well, I'm gonna let you do the other stuff.
No.
Look, we gotta mix this together.
No.
You don't want to mix this together?
No.
Don't put your finger near it, okay? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're gonna turn it back on, okay? Yeah, we're gonna mix that together. Okay, we're not gonna put our milk in yet, okay? Alright, we need 4 cups of confectionate sugar, okay? Right, put it in your thing.
No, give me that.
Right, no, you gotta put it in the sifter, because you gotta sift it. 1, 2. Hey, calm down, dude. 3. 4. And I did not scrape that off because I know you're going to have that everywhere. I'm supposed to scrape it off, but I know when he sifts this, it's going to be, I'm going to lose part of it.
It's your Mommy.
Hold this side. Yeah, there we go.
No. Well.
Okay, sift it. can you put me some powder, or put the powdered sugar in this bowl? Okay, well you can put a little more than that. You get a big old scoop.
One.
One. Okay.
Whoa, what's that?
Look at that.
What's that, Mommy?
I know.
So.
All right, hold on. Wait till you have to make sure I stop it, okay? All right, hold on, and I'll bring it to you. All right, you want me? Okay, that's fine too.
One spoon.
Okay, at this stage, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of my milk because it's getting really thick and hard to mix. And if you have a hand mixer, it's gonna be even harder.
Do that, Mommy.
You don't touch the controls. Okay, put me some more in there.
No, give me that.
Okay, put it in here.
Whoa, chicken.
Thank you. Okay.
I got it.
Good job.
Let's get him up.
Okay, I'm gonna add me in another tablespoon of my milk.
Oh,
You
Mommy.
can have that. Maybe that'll keep them occupied. I doubt it. And I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna scrape down my sides and stuff. That way I know that everything's getting mixed in there pretty well. The recipe that I use is the Wilton one a lot of times, not all the time.
What do you
And it calls for only 2 tablespoons of milk. But this is way too thick. Whatever consistency you want that's a good job.
What is a T-Rex?
Whatever consistency you want your icing to be is how many tablespoons you kind of want to put on. This is a little,
Mommy.
this is a little stiff for what I want it. But always add a little bit and go from there, because if not, you'll have to put a ton of powdered sugar to thicken it back up. Okay, depending on how much icing you want to put, I would recommend doing 2 batches of icing of this particular one. To me, it doesn't make as much icing as I would like. Especially if you're going to do any kind of decorations, it takes a lot of icing. You definitely want to do 2 batches of this, so just double your recipe. Okay, I've done about a half a cup white icing in one bowl. And I'm just going to add some light blue to that. And I'm just using a gel food coloring. And then the same amount of white icing for my pink. And this is just a pink, whatever color pink you want. And I left me, this definitely more than half the icing, white icing. Because we're going to take and put this down each side of the bag. And then that way we'll have white, blue, and pink.
What's the pink? Mommy, it's the pink, Mommy.
It's pretty, isn't it?
It's the pink.
Yeah.
It's the pink, Mommy.
Are you ready to make a cake that's a ball?
Take the ball.
Yeah. Well, we're not going to need that for this video. Obviously, he thinks we need it. Okay, you need one piping bag, and you need your 1M tip to do the design I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to take my offset spatula, and I'm going to get some glue, and I'm going to rub it down the side.
You do a ball, Mommy?
No, we're not going to do a ball today. We'll do that one some other time. How about that? And now I'm going to rub the pink down the other side. Okay, so we're going to put our white icing down in there. Okay, this is the part that will have the gender of what the baby is in the center. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. Then we'll skip the part of what we are going to put in each one. But we're going to use these little pearls that you got the pink ones, and then you got the blue ones also. So whichever one you need. But y'all won't know till we cut it open. Alright, so middle of our cupcake. Pop that out. Okay, now that we have filled our cupcakes with whatever color, pink or blue, depending on if we got a baby brother or a baby sister. And then we just put the piece that we cut out back on top. They make little tools that you can pour a cupcake, but I just used a knife. And you don't really have to cut really deep, and just put a few of whatever color in your cupcake. Look at. Hey. Well, I guess instead of Cash telling you what he's getting baby brother, baby sister,
No!
he's very upset for some reason. This is what happens when you have toddlers and you want them to cooperate. Mine doesn't. So, let's see. It's a girl. So, anyway, so when I cut off the thing, I basically just filled it with my pink sprinkles and then put that piece back on top, and then of course y'all saw me icing. And there you go, your gender reveal pinata cupcakes. You could use these for anything. You don't have to use them for gender reveals. That's just what I wanted to do, and I thought it was really simple to do. So I'll put everything down below that I used for this recipe, or any of the things that I used. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.